Hello everybody, I hope that you're staying safe at home, and if you are coming to school, you're staying super safe as well. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all again, but I thought that we could have a bit of an adventure. So, we're going to use our binoculars that we've already made, and then I want you to find some sort of basket or bucket, or if you've not got anything like that, like a mug or a pot, and bring it along with you because we're going to play a game. So, with my trusty basket, and when you guys have got your baskets, I want you to give me a hands up to let me know that you've done it. Let me give you 1 minute. Okay, well done everybody. So, the first thing I want you to look around the house for, or around school for, is something that starts with the letter P. P. Something that starts with the letter P. P. Let's see. Is there anything there? P, 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 P. P, P, P. Oh! Oh! Pencil. That can go into my pot. Pencil. Next job. Can you find me something beginning with B? B. B. Something beginning with B. Ah. B. Boy. Well done, that's definitely going in my box. Give your box a shake. Let's think. Ah. The next thing I'd like you to find is something beginning with the sound D. D, D, dinosaur. I'm going to take my basket with me. Let's see. Can you see anything beginning with D? Anything that starts with D? Let me get my binoculars. They'll help me. Oh, could it be dinosaur? He can go in my basket. I want you to have a go at this at home or at school with whoever you are with. See how many things you can find in your around the house and put it in your basket. Once you've done that, count up how many you've got and take a picture if you'd like to show us, or your teachers and your friends. So use all your special sounds that you've been taught to look around the house. I think you'll do perfectly. Have a good day. I will see you later.